Dear students, welcome back. My dear students of class 8. Dear students, the third chapter has been completed and now the question and answer session is remaining, which is going to be continued. My dear student, see the page number 65 in the part of the assessment, and in this part you have to see the question and answer like MCQ, question and answers, chapter 3. So first of all, MCQ. The MCQ question number 1, pick the synthetic fiber out of the following, and answer will be nylon, that is B. So first B, then second, which of the following is source of rayon? The source of rayon is the PET. So answer will be B again. Second B, and third, that is the material similar to silk in appearance is that is rayon. Again B, 3B, you have to confirm it. Rayon is the artificial silk, and you have to confirm it, my dear student, from your book, that is the rayon. So this is the artificial silk. Rayon is the artificial silk, and it is made up of PET, that is polyethyl trichloride. That is a wood pulp. This is the B. This answer will be the B. That will be the answer will be C. That will be the wood pulp. And now come to question number 4. The most suitable material for the preparation of the handle of cooking utensil is the bakelite, B. 4D. Then 5. Which of the following is not a common property of the plastic? That is D, good conductor of electricity. This is not the common property, so answer will be D. And now PVC, that is the question number 6, answer will be one, 3, 2, 1, and 3. Answer will be B. Question number 6, answer will be B. Answer will be B. And which of the following group contain all synthetic substances? So PVC, polythene, and bakelite. So answer will be C. 7, C, and 8. The material which is commonly used for making kitchen container is that is Teflon. C. 8C. And now filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. Synthetic materials are made by hydrocarbons. Fill in the blanks. So first is hydrocarbon. Plastics are heat resistant. Then 3, dash plastic do not soften on heating and cannot be reshaped. Thermosetting plastics. 3, thermosetting, and 4, dash have taken the place of the many traditional material because they last for a long time. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers synthetic fibers. 4 and 5. The best way to dispose the discarded plastic is recycle. 5. Reuse and recycle. 6. The first fully synthetic fiber was the first fully synthetic fibers was that was the rayon. Then the 6, then the 7. Answer number 7. And answer number 7 is a fiber similar to wool is rayon. That is the wool. That is acrylic fiber. And 8, a plastic used for the crockery is bakelite. Then true false. T over here. In true false, the fabric tire wool is obtained by mixing of tyrolean and wool. True. So first T, Second, synthetic fiber don't melt on heating. F. And correct answer will be the synthetic fiber melt on heating. It is risky to wear synthetic cloth while working in the kitchen. S. 3. True. Most of the plastics are biodegradable. False. And the correct answer will be, this will be melt on heating, and this will be the non-biodegradable. So my dear students, these are the question and answers of the chapter 3, and further we will go through the other exercises, and you can compare it. The other exercises are short answer questions. So let us see about the short answer questions, and the short answer questions are, what is meant by the term synthetic fiber? So the synthetic fibers are the fibers which are made by the different compositions of the hydrocarbons that is made by human. Why is the food stored in the plastic container? That is because the plastics are non-reactive, and they cannot react with the food particles, and food can be preserved in the plastics. Third, what is the difference between the raw material used in nylon and rayon and nylon? So my dear student, the difference between the raw material used in rayon, that the raw material used in rayon, that is natural material, that is called wood pulp, cellulose, which is used in making rayon, while nylon is consisted of the different types of the hydrocarbons that received from the petrochemical industries. Then fourth, bakelite and polythene are both plastics, but there is one major difference in between them. What is the difference? The polythene is having the linear composition of their monomer, while the bakelite, while the plastics are having the complex arrangement, like the each and every molecule, they get connected together in them. Then acids are stored in PET plastic bottle. Why? Because the PET plastic bottles are non-reactive. So my dear student, these are some questions that you have to do at your home, and further you have to complete these questions answer in your fair copy at your home. My dear students, some other questions are also there, and that of different types of the activities that you will do at your home. My dear students, in these 3 chapters, you learnt a lot if you seen this video, if you seen the notes, if you seen the question answer exercises, and I have tried to teach you in the best way. So get the benefit of these videos and these notes, and you have to take the books and copies from your school so that you can complete, you can utilize your time, and you can utilize in practicing the diagram at your home. Don't waste your time. And further in the next video we will continue chapter 4, that is metal and non-metal. Thank you very much for watching this video.